Hi guys, I'm Ionescu, professional makeup artist, and today I am going to teach you how to get fuller lips with only makeup. So if you are interested in how to achieve bigger lips with just a few tricks, keep watching. The first thing you need is a pencil brush, this type of pencil brush, and a contouring shade. Contouring shade that is not too orangey. I'm going to take this one that is more of a cool tone contouring shade, and I have to make sure that the lips are not loaded with lip balm or anything like that. Take all the excess lip product of them. They have to be quite dry actually. And the first step that I'm going to do is make a contour on my natural contour with this pencil. I'm holding the brush with the point perpendicular on the skin. And I'm just contouring on the natural contour, but because of the size of the brush, the contour will be more extended, so it will look like we're going a lot over, but because of this shade, it won't look very hard. See? Okay, so after this soft contour technique, I'm going to take lip liner that it can be more of a pinky tone or more of a brownie tone, whatever you prefer, but it has to be a little bit darker. It doesn't have to be really light. I'm going to use Smashbox Fair Neutral Rose, this lip pencil. And I'm taking this color all on the contour of the lips. And I'm blending the edges inside. I really love this color, it's so nice. And on top of the contour, I'm using a lighter lip color. This one is by Too Faced and the shade is Child Star. And with a flat brush, I'm going to apply the lipstick. And I'm also blending it a little bit with the contour. So this is how you have fuller and bigger lips with only makeup. All you need to do is follow those 3 steps that I teach you. So let me know in the comments below how well it worked for you, this technique, and I want to see the results. Please tag me on Instagram if you follow this technique. I'm Diana Ionescu on Instagram. I will let the link below. And thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video. Bye.